until a year ago, Abbey Precision Limited were unable to run their machine shop unmanned. Today, the story is very different thanks to the installation of two Matsuura MX330s. What were your expectations from these MX330s, Steve?
Well, Abbey has traditionally been a one-man, one-machine kind of business, and over the past 5 years or so, we've been trying to move from that model to a more modern way of looking at jobs and work, and the automation aspects of the Matsuuras is absolutely essential to moving a business like this forward. Unattended operation, more accurate and repetitive cycles without operators to be constantly attending machines is really, really important.
How much of an impact has the automation made to you here as a company?
We've had these machines running now for a year. We were hoping to get some payback on our investment within a year, and we got a lot of payback within a few months. They were quick and easy to get going. The training was excellent. We have very robust posts through our cab-cam solutions, and the transition from our other 5-axis machines here to these machines has been pretty easy.